We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Just checking out the local market at Pullenvale here today. A bit overcast, not looking an ideal day for testing out the drone. It's a little bit of a washout here today. Very pleasant, but yeah. This is just so nice. G'day. Well, it's a bit of a rainy day, but going to go to a seafood place on the other side of town, which I was going to do during the week. But anyway, so be it. Just going to take old Henry 2 actually.
Way down the street.
Wrong way? GPS says we're going the wrong way. Anyway, just on the way to a fish shop that I have in mind. After I get fuel, because the fuel warnings have gone off and I have run out of fuel in this Ford on more than one occasion when it says that I have 60 kilometres to go. So it's an hour from where I live, but it's really nice fish. It's not the shop I normally go to, but it is consistently nice, always has been. GPS is saying you're going the wrong way. So I just had to get some petrol. This is where I filmed last time I was here. Here at Sandgate today, which is the other side of Brisbane. Rather a little less sunny today, but still beautiful. Well, it's definitely a rainy day. Last time I was here it was sunny. But it's nice and rainy, I don't mind too much. The main thing is it's a really good seafood place. I'll show you where. Right across there. Doug's Seafood Cafe. So it's time to eat. And it's a little bit dearer for the sweet live here. There's Doug's Seafood. Down in order. Hello. Good. Can I get one in cod, one sweetlet, please?
Yeah, both from?
Yep.
Fantastic. Anything else?
That'll do for now.
That's 17.50. I'll stop here and take a ride.
I'll have it. Thanks, man. Look at that. Hello, little fella. Yep, which is which?
That one's the cod they just put down, and that one's the sweet portion.
Oh, thank you. Thanks, mate. Lovely. This is just so nice. Well, it was lovely. Absolutely lovely. Always good food there. See, there's going to be a king tide tonight too. One thing I haven't done this weekend is fly the drone, which I really would like to because I've been flying it a bit lately. Anyway, no sun today, but always a good outing. Old GPS versus new GPS, new one being on the right. Well, that was a little outing, still raining as you can see. On the way back home, but got out and did something and had some great fish. Alright, the next video I'm sure will be a lot sunnier. Thanks, see ya.